Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I need to show you how to answer. So I will put about s equals to negative t. So this one we have s approach to negative infinity. And now we need to change s into negative t. So negative and negative we simplify, and that means we have t approach to positive infinity. So this one we change like this. S we change by negative t. So this one that is about even power. So negative t to the power of 2 we have t square. Next we have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we want to cancel about the square root, so we need to create about b square, but that is about a minus b. We need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, if we simplify it, and we have like this, so we have t square plus 4 minus t square. So t square minus t square we cancel. So we see that when t approaches to positive infinity, this one they go to positive infinity. Number 4 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.